everybody, I want to do a dance song about robins. In my own backyard, I have lots of robins. Did you know that the mama robins have light orange chests, right here, their bellies, and that the papa robins have darker orange bellies? And the other thing I love about robins is that they like to sing early in the morning or late at night. I hope you'll all listen for the song of the robin. Come dance with me. Let's dance like robins. Good. All right, peck your beak. Good job, friends. Let's see your own dancing. Good job. Jump, jump. All right, friends, let me know if you